Something I'm just realizing about the Vietnamese language is that we often use sound effects. For example, để mình nói câu chuyện. Okay, let me tell a story. Nói chuyện với bà ngoại. I told my grandma mình nghe nhạc. Like I went to a concert, kind of like. Basically, I went to like a DJ event. It was Vietnamese music, and I wanted to show her a video. In the video, obviously, everyone's having fun dancing, right? And she was like, "Oh, Michelle nhảy ka tưng hả?" Like I was dancing like up and down ka tưng like. That is like that's a sound effect, right? Ka-tung, ka-tung. Like that's not a word, right? And then my mom often says, "Oh, ba nhổ kha kha, kha kha." That sounds like a snore, kha kha, right? So nhảy ka-tung, nhổ kha kha. Do you guys have any more? Bạn có ví dụ gì nữa không? Comment down below. I also was thinking like, oh, the word for cat is con mèo. You know, like come on. Gong meow. Like, do we love sound effects? Do the Vietnamese people love sound effects or something?